Hi guys, imagine your salary doubles, or even so, you get more money. How do you go about upgrading yourself to your long term benefit? For many people out there, they're going to upgrade their lifestyle by exercising lifestyle inflation, buying a bigger TV, buying a new car, buying designer clothes, buying the latest iPhone, you name it. But here is the problem: most people upgrade their lifestyle before upgrading their financial foundation. That is why many high income earners are still broke, because money doesn't change your life. How you allocate money does. Today, I'll share 7 things you should upgrade immediately whenever your income increases or you get more money. You are all much welcomed to my channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. In case you are new here, subscribe and also drop a like on this video. Having said that, the very first thing you need to do is to upgrade your emergency fund. The first upgrade isn't exciting. It is your financial safety net. Many Kenyans live one emergency away from debt: a job loss, medical bill, car repair, family emergencies. Any of these will spin them into debt. Instead of buying expensive items immediately, increase your emergency fund to cover at least 6 months of your subsistence. What do you think about this? And also, where should you keep it? Don't just have the cash at hand or even so in your regular salary account. Put that money in money market funds, high interest savings, not under your mattress or even your regular account at the bank, which is not attracting any interest. Every salary increase should ensure automatically also increase your emergency saving before spending on your lifestyle. And then the second thing you need to upgrade is upgrade your skills. Your income typically follows your skills. Your best investment isn't always stocks. Sometimes it is yourself. Buy books, online courses, professional certifications, attend seminars, hire a mentor who can assist you navigate some scenarios. With this technology advancement era, learn AI. Also, think about how you can improve your communication, how you can level up when it comes to negotiation, when it comes to your ability to sell, when it comes to leadership. Every new skill that you learn can increase your earning power permanently. Think about it. You investing in yourself is going to go a long way in skyrocketing your earning or income. That's why a 20,000 investment in maybe getting a course could even increase your salary by twice your salary, or even an amount which you have never thought about before. And then the third thing you need to do is upgrade your health. Guys, there's a reason as to why other people typically say your health is your wealth. Upgrade your health. Don't go backwards. Upgrade the quality of food you consume. Ensure you have medical checkups, health insurance, exercise very well, have a better mattress which assists you sleep well, whether it's ergonomic or it assists you sleep without back pains. Get good shoes, get ergonomic chairs, sleep quality sleep. Your body is your income generating machine. People out there assume they only need their mind, but then again, you need your whole body to coordinate, to be in good shape, for you to be able to function optimally and even to get money. So allocate good time to sleep and ensure you're comfortable health-wise for you to be able to generate your income. And then the fourth thing you need to upgrade is upgrade your investments. Lifestyle inflation destroys wealth. Instead, increase investments first. Before you think about lifestyle inflation, increase investments. Case in point, put your money in money market funds. Put your money in treasury bills. Put your money in treasury bonds. Put your money in the stock market. Put your money in index funds. Put your money in real estate. Increase your circle contribution. Think about, in case you are in business, expanding your business, whether within the expansion or even opening new branches. Imagine increasing investment by 20% every time your income rises. Within several years, your assets begin paying for your lifestyle. That now is financial freedom, as opposed to you showing up at work every day to get a salary to be able to fund your lifestyle. That is a big financial trap. And then The fifth thing you need to upgrade is upgrade your network. Your environment shapes your future. Start surrounding yourself with people who challenge your thinking. Attend networking events. Join business associations. Invest in clubs because like-minded people converge there. Invest in joining professional organizations. Attend industry conferences. Sometimes one conversation changes your entire financial trajectory. So ensure you put yourself out there, invest in growing relationships and also growing networks for you to be able to build wealth. Okay? And then the sixth thing you can upgrade is upgrade your time. Guys, the reason why time is money. Actually, money can buy time. And if you're able to unlock your time to focus your time on more valuable things, that is the best upgrade you can do for you to be able to skyrocket your wealth. Basically, delegate repetitive tasks, hire help in case you need available more hours, automate bills, use productivity tools, learn new technologies like AI, pay for convenience when it creates more income than it costs you more. People out there might think, hey, I need to work extra hard. I need to dedicate my entire time in working on 1 to 3 things. If you are earning money to be able to buy your time, to focus your time on higher impact things, do exactly that. And then the seventh thing you need to upgrade is to upgrade your income sources. The final upgrade is your income itself. Don't depend on salary forever. Build additional income streams. Think about dividend investing in case you put your money on dividend stocks. Think about rental incomes in case you've already built your financial base and you're looking to jump onto rentals. Think about exploring technology, whether it is YouTube, digital products, freelancing, for you to be able to get additional income. Jump onto consulting. Start a small side business. Each extra income stream you build reduces your financial stress and goes a long way over time to be able to increase your wealth. So, when you get money, if your salary is doubled, if you get a windfall, or even money is coming from a given income stream, think about these 7 upgrades I've spoken about because these 7 upgrades are going to assist you be able to have a solid base, which is going to ensure you are able to skyrocket your wealth over time. Guys, have you implemented any of these things I've spoken about? At any particular point in time, was your salary increased drastically? In case it was, what did you do first? Did you upgrade along the lines of the things I've spoken about, or did you inflate your lifestyle? Was the salary maybe increased by 50% and you went ahead and got a car loan? You went ahead and bought designer clothes. You decided to go ahead and go on a vacation. Or did you prioritize investments, skills, emergency fund, building network, unlocking more time for you to focus on high impact things and increasing or improving your income sources? These are what you're supposed to do for you to be able to see your wealth skyrocket over time. So, when your money increases, think about these strategic upgrades for you to be able to be on a good financial foundation and build wealth over time. Cheers, guys. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I look forward to share with you other amazing financial videos next time. Take care. Connect in the next video.